Alright, greetings y'all, peace and love. So my wife is in her third trimester, and with her slowing down, I find myself in the kitchen more lately just to help out. So this day I had to get a healthy dinner in under 30 minutes with inspiration from the video by RecipeTin Eats, because I had to give credit where credit is due. This is where I got the inspiration for this recipe. So here I did a rushed version with what I had available. To get this under 30 minutes, you'll be multitasking, so you had to put on a pot of rice ahead of time and also put on a pot of boiling water for blanching your veggies later on in the video. I started out with 2 trays of my thawed out chicken breast that I already split, and I'll be making a video on how to get this kind of groceries, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, I got discounts on these items here. I mixed 1 tablespoon each of garlic, onion, paprika, and flour, then 2 teaspoons each of black pepper and salt. The season sticks better when you add a bit of oil to the chicken, but I didn't do that here because I was in a rush. I then oiled my skillet on medium heat and cooked these for a couple of minutes on one side until I had a nice enough color before flipping it. Now, like I was saying, you can put on a pot of rice in the meantime, but since I had leftover rice from the night before, I didn't worry myself with that. I just reheated the rice that I had on hand. So I blanched my broccoli in the boiling water for a few minutes before draining it and then transferring it into a 400-degree oven with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Now in the original video, they made a sauce with deglazing the pan with some wine and adding butter and garlic, but I just did not have that time. Plus, I just don't have wine in my house like that. Me and my wife, we are not drinkers, and we just have not really cooked with wine like that. But feel free to do so if you have the time. Now, at $2.50 a plate for a nutritious meal with organic ingredients, honestly, this is a win in my book. Even at full price, this would still be a good deal for me. And the seasonings I use here, honestly, I feel like you can use whatever ingredients you are comfortable with that you prefer on your chicken. This is just what I used this time around, and this was good enough to feed me and my family, y'all. Alright, again, I'll be making another video just to cover tips on how to get some really great deals on your groceries like I did here in this meal. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to pop them in the comments, and see y'all in the next video. Peace and love, y'all.